In today's video, I will walk you through how to add font in Canva. Adding fonts in Canva lets you customize the look of your text and match it to your design style. First, we need to download our fonts. Go to fontspace.com and choose your desired font, and click Download. Once done, extract the file. Now, there are two ways to add font in Canva. First is if you are using Canva Pro. Go to Brand, then Fonts. Hover the plus button, then click Upload Font, then choose the font we download earlier, then confirm and upload. After the upload is complete, the font will be added to your Canva account and ready to use in your designs. Now let's move to the second method. Go back to the Canva homepage again and open any project you want to work on. Add a text. Now in the lower section, go to Upload a font, then choose the font you want to use, then confirm and upload. And it will be added to your Canva account. To check your uploaded font, go to your font list and check under Uploaded Font. You can now use this font to your design.